Welcome to today's video. It's a Christmas collab with Pumpkin and Me, Doll and Toy Time, as well as Raiinbowbitez. I'm going to have their channels linked below. Please go check them out. Jenna and Max were the best of friends. Anywhere Jenna went, Max was definitely there to follow. Jenna, a 25-year-old pregnant mom-to-be, and Max, her best friend, a loyal dog who was always there no matter how hard things got. This year was going to be the hardest year yet. Jenna, now 8 months pregnant, wasn't going to be able to work much longer. She didn't know how she was going to be able to afford Christmas this year, but she thought, I still want to celebrate Christmas, no matter what. So she threw up some decorations, anything she could find. A few she thrifted or found, even some she made. It was now looking more like Christmas in her small apartment, no matter how little she had. This year is going to be the hardest. But she knew Christmas wasn't all about the gifts. It was about the true meaning of Christmas. Everything she had, like Max, her family, her friends, even her home. I want you to remember this during Christmas because some people may not have as much as us. We should be thankful and grateful for what we have. Jenna and Max are really going to have a hard time this year, but they have each other, and that's the most important part. Let's go ahead and take a tour of Jenna's living room and talk a little bit about how she decorated it. So here is Max and Jenna's living space. Now this collab was supposed to be where we decorate a room for Christmas, and that's just what I did. But I did it with a twist. I made sure to make the room match the story. And this story has been a work in progress for quite some time, and I thought today was a perfect time to incorporate the story into this room. So you guys, this was a really fun collab, and I took a lot of time to think about the story and match this room to it. The room itself I did make for the collab and decorated it. So I tried to make the decorations look like they were mixed and matched, and kind of some were made or thrifted because in the story, Jenna just uses what she has to make Christmas what it can be. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to bring a positive message. Thank you Pumpkin and Raiinbowbitez for collabing. I really enjoy dolls. They're a big part of my life, and I know they are to you guys as well. But anyways, I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for watching.